development, 4 bedrooms, 4 attached, with a tennis court. Where can I find it?
This new development has a total of 598 units, ranging from 1 to 4 bedrooms, including dual key options. There's something for everyone here. Sylvia Chung here. I'm thrilled to share with you an exciting new launch that you won't want to miss. Besides the maid's room, there is also a storage room. And here's a unique feature. All 4 bedroom units come with attached bathrooms, so no more fighting for toilets. Besides the 50-meter lap pool, it's one of the few developments that boasts of a tennis court. There is even a childcare center in the development. Need to run errands? The supermarket is just 2 minutes walk away. Need to commute? MRT is just 2 minutes walk. If you have any further inquiries regarding the development, do contact me. My name is Sylvia Chung. I'm from Orange Tea.